Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to take a look at a pair of custom loafers that I had made as part of Zonkey Boots made to order special. Now, I've always liked Zonkey Boot. They are an Austrian company, but their factory is in Italy, and they offer some really great made to order options. If you take a look at their website, there is what I would consider pretty cool list of leathers that are available there. And I would only say that it's comparable to what you can see at St. Crispin's. The two companies have a history together, but they are completely separate. And I found that for the non-made to measure, Zonkey Boot is one of the nicest ready-to-wear brands out there. And I was able to have these customized pretty significantly for me, so I wanted to share them with you. Now, the first thing I did was I chose a leather. Now, this leather has a really cool grain to it, and it's called Shrunken Bull. And then if you look at the pattern, this is a one piece. It's not a hole cut because it doesn't have a center seam in the back, but it's one piece on the forefront of the loafer, and it has the strap is part of it. It's integrated, and then the apron is a different piece, which I chose to have in suede. Now, I posted these on the site a little while ago, but they were not as dark as they are now. I actually asked them to be darkened to match the suede, and I think they did a phenomenal job. So we're gonna go here and look. They've got this is just paper. We're gonna take a look here at the other one. Now, these are ready to wear, meaning that they are just a standard size, but they are completely customized to what I asked them to be. You can see the sole work is very good. It's pretty on par with what you see at like an Edward Green. Not fancy. They don't do, it's like a regular 270 welt. So what you would see on a regular ready-to-wear shoe, the difference is you can customize a lot in the uppers. These are going to run in the $700-800 range versus in the $1,000+ range, like you would see at like an Edward Green. So a very, very nice shoe with just tremendous texture. And I have a couple pairs. I have a pair of boots and I have a pair of shoes, and this last fits me really well. So I decided to take a leap of faith and do the pair of loafers. Most of loafers I have a really hard time with fit, and so this is going to be a bit of a test for me. Otherwise, I'm going to wind up having to go just into the bespoke and made to measure for loafers, but which I have, lasts with several makers, and I can do that. But I wanted to give this a try since the shoes fit quite so well. So what do you think? Did I go too far in mixing textures, or is this just about right? You tell me. Thanks for watching.